Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are checking out the Edifier M60 multimedia speakers in black. These are compact 2.0 powered bookshelf speakers delivering 66 WRMS total output with high-res audio and high-res wireless certification. They feature 1-inch silk dome tweeters and 3-inch long-throw aluminum diaphragm mid-low drivers in each cabinet. If you want premium desktop audio with modern connectivity, this pair delivers. Let me break down the specs. Total output power is 66 WRMS with 15 WX2 for treble and 18 WX2 for mid-low. Frequency response covers 58 Hz to 40 kHz with signal-to-noise ratio greater than or equal to 85 dB. Bluetooth is 5.3 supporting LDAC codec for 24-bit/96 kHz high-resolution wireless streaming from compatible Android devices. Inputs include USB-C plug-and-play, 3.5mm AUX, and Bluetooth. The top-mounted capacitive touch panel features proximity sensing backlight that activates when your hand approaches with intuitive swipe gestures for track control. Included aluminum stands angle speakers at 15 degrees directing sound precisely at ear level and minimizing desktop reflections. Dimensions are 100 by 168 by 147 mm per speaker with net weight 3.07 kg total. The Edifier Connix app provides EQ customization, sound effect switching, and firmware updates. The sound quality surprises given the compact size with warm detailed presentation across various music genres. The LDAC Bluetooth support ensures high-quality wireless audio. USB-C input handles digital audio directly from your computer. The included stands optimize positioning for critical listening. The touch controls are elegant and responsive with proximity lighting adding premium feel. If you want compact high-resolution desktop speakers with versatile connectivity and sleek design, the Edifier M60 delivers. Link in description. Thanks for watching.